Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to Empty Paradise's Cars and Collectibles. So today's video, we're doing another Hot Wheel RLC unboxing. As you guys did see the title and thumbnail, you guys can already have an idea of what we're going to be showing. But before we get started in that, I do want to mention that on my merch store right now, for this whole month actually, I'm doing a giveaway. So every order placed between April 1st and April 30th, I'm giving away this Lego Skyline GTR R34 from the Fast and the Furious. It even has a little Paul Walker mini figure that comes with it. I'm giving this away to one of you guys. So on my merch store, for every $5 you spend, you get an additional entry in this giveaway. So definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. And even the Hot Wheel we're unboxing today, I'm going to have a couple of those available. And they're also going to be available on my merch store. So if you guys purchase one of those, you guys get automatically entered into this giveaway. So you definitely don't want to miss out. Any order between April 1st, April 30th will get you entered. But let's go ahead and get started with the reveal of the new car, which is the Hot Wheel RLC Kawa-Bug-A, which is obviously a Volkswagen Beetle, and I think this thing is really cool. This one is also the club exclusive. You guys can't see it. Well, you can't really read it right there. But let's go ahead, open this out of the plastic protector, and you probably already noticed there is something right there. And there is another item that comes with this as well. So before we get into the car, let me show you guys this. It's a little pin of the Hot Wheel RLC car. And on the back, you can see there's a little tab so you can hook it onto stuff, I guess. But I think that's pretty cool. Nice little pin that comes with that. It's all metal. And then you also get this little patch, which is really nice. And they kind of themed this one after a 5-speed, well, I guess a 4-speed. And obviously the RLC, and then you have the 2 and 4. But if you actually look at it, a lot of cars, that would be the reverse. That'd be the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. So it's 2024. So it actually kind of like this layout is a really cool design. So whoever came up with that, good on them. But I don't know if it's really showing up on camera. The backdrop is black. There's also a black kind of flame in that. I don't know if you guys can kind of see it. So it's like a dark black raised flame behind the little gear shifter thing. But that's a little patch that does come with this as well. That is really cool. But let me go ahead, set these aside. And let's go ahead and check out the Beetle. I think this looks really cool. It is very detailed. And boom, there it is. And obviously the way that paint looks, it's like reflective. It kind of looks like real paint. And then obviously a little green or a little white stripe there. And there's even a little tiny Volkswagen logo on the top of the hood. I don't know if you can really, it's kind of hard to see it. My ring light did kind of die this morning, so I'm not really able to show you guys with like a lot of good lighting. So I'm trying my best here, but I think the detail on this car is absolutely stunning. And I'm not going to rip it open and show you guys, but the trunk actually does open and it does show the engine bay. So I know there are some pictures online where Hot Wheels kind of posted it where you can see the engine bay open. And then flip it around the back, you guys can see the other side of the car. It's pretty much the same thing. It does have the rubber Real Rider tires. And those rims actually look pretty nice as well. But there's the little text box. If you guys want to pause that, you can pause and read it. But yeah, the Hot Wheel RLC Volkswagen Beetle, or the Kawa-Bug-A, which is kind of cool. And I think this is a really cool exclusive. They recently did have this with like a little cargo kind of rack up on the roof. Had some like travel goods, like a little suitcase. But this is kind of cool seeing it nice, clean, and sleek. There's the underside if you guys were wondering. It is a full metal construction, like I said, rubber tires. And I think that is a really cool car. Like I said, there will be some of these available on my merch store. I do have another one here. So if you guys are interested, there will be a link in the description down below. Like I said, whenever you get on there, purchase this car, you automatically get entered into the giveaway. So definitely take advantage of that while you can and while supplies last. But if you guys did like this video, definitely go down and hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I really do appreciate the support. So please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any other videos. I do a lot of case unboxings, a lot of other Hot Wheel RLC cars, a bunch of other cool videos all the time. And every single day I do Hot Wheel races on my 6-lane raceway in the form of YouTube Shorts. So daily content, weekly, bigger content. So definitely you don't want to miss out on subscribing. But if you guys did like the video, definitely put down in the comments down below what you guys think of this. Hit that like button. But as always, thank you for watching.